Ever wonder what secrets the cosmos holds beyond our blue sky? Well, buckle up and prepare for a journey through 11 mind-blowing facts about space and space travel. You see, the universe is a vast, mesmerizing mystery, filled with wonders and oddities that boggle the mind. From planets made of diamonds to cosmic water reservoirs, every corner of the cosmos holds a secret waiting to be unveiled. Today, we're diving into these cosmic curiosities in a countdown format, each more astonishing than the last. This isn't just a trip through the stars, folks. It's a voyage of learning and laughter, where education meets entertainment. We're not just exploring the universe, we're understanding how these incredible facts impact us Earthlings now, and how they might shape our future, say, 60 years down the line. Are you ready to have your mind blasted to the farthest reaches of the universe? Let's start the countdown. Did you know that space is a silent realm? Yes, there's no air or medium for sound to travel. Sound waves need a medium like air, water, or metal to pass through. And space is a vacuum, nearly devoid of particles. This is why our astronauts rely so heavily on radio signals for communication. These signals travel at light speed, allowing our brave explorers to stay connected with mission control. So next time you scream in space, remember, no one can hear you. Here's a shocking one. Did you know that space travel can modify your DNA? That's right, and it's not just a theory. NASA's groundbreaking twin study revealed that astronaut Scott Kelly's DNA was altered after spending nearly a year aboard the International Space Station. His genetic code differed from that of his identical twin brother, Mark, who stayed on Earth. This surprising discovery has significant implications for long-term space travel. As we look towards the stars and plan for extended missions to Mars and beyond, understanding how space travel affects our DNA is critical. It's not just about preparing for potential health risks. This knowledge could also open doors to genetic modification, allowing us to adapt better to the harsh conditions of space. Fast forward 60 years, and we might see a new breed of space humans, genetically modified to thrive in zero gravity or withstand cosmic radiation. So space travel might just be the next step in human evolution. Ever wanted to leave a long-lasting mark? Try the moon. You see, the moon lacks the atmosphere and wind we have here on Earth. This means that when astronauts like Neil Armstrong left their footprints on the lunar surface, they weren't erased or smoothed out over time. They'll be there for a whopping 100 million years. That's a legacy, wouldn't you say? It's a testament to human impact and our ongoing exploration of the great beyond. Talk about leaving a long-lasting impression. Black holes, the universe's ultimate trap, aren't as black as you think. Despite their name, these cosmic phenomena are anything but colorless voids. Imagine a black hole as a massive whirlpool in the fabric of space. They have such strong gravitational pull that even light can't escape. But here's the catch. While they absorb light, they also warp it. This warping effect creates something called gravitational lensing, which can cause the area around the black hole to shine with the light of stars behind it. What's more fascinating is the potential of black holes for energy production. Some theories suggest that the rotation of black holes could be harnessed for energy, a concept known as the Penrose process. This could provide a nearly limitless source of power. Imagine that, using the darkest corners of the universe to light up our world. So black holes might just be the brightest thing in our universe. Thirsty? There's a giant water reservoir floating in space? Yes, you heard that right. Astronomers have discovered a massive cloud of water vapor, enough to fill Earth's oceans 4,000 times over. It's not exactly a lake on a summer day, but it's proof that water, the lifeblood of our planet, exists far beyond our blue sphere. This discovery is more than just a curiosity. It's a clue in the cosmic puzzle, hinting at the possibility of life on other planets. After all, where there's water, there might be life, right? And it's not just about alien life. This discovery could revolutionize space travel. Imagine a future where spaceships could refuel their water supplies from these cosmic reservoirs. Long-distance space travel could become a reality. So next time you take a sip from your water bottle, remember, you're sharing a common bond with the universe. Space travel might just become a lot more refreshing. Feeling ordinary? Well, here's a fact. You are made of stardust. Now, let's dive into the why and how. Most of the elements that make up the human body and everything else on Earth for that matter were formed within stars. Stars, like our sun, are cosmic furnaces, where lighter elements are fused together under intense pressure and heat to create heavier ones. This process, known as nucleosynthesis, gives birth to elements like carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen, the building blocks of life as we know it. When a star reaches the end of its life, it explodes in a grand supernova, scattering these elements across the universe. Over billions of years, these scattered elements coalesce to form new stars, planets, and yes, us. This cosmic recycling means we are all connected not just to each other, but to the universe and its endless cycle of life and death. So next time you feel ordinary, remember, you're literally star material. Ever wonder why there aren't more astronauts? Maybe because a spacesuit costs millions. It's not just about the look, folks. These suits are high-tech marvels, designed to protect the wearer from the harsh realities of space. They provide life support, temperature control, and protection from radiation. Plus, they have to be custom-made for each astronaut. It's like the ultimate tailored suit, just a lot more expensive and life-saving. So, next time you see an astronaut, remember they're the ultimate high-end fashion icons. Diamonds are a girl's best friend, and apparently a planet's too. Now let's talk about the exoplanet 55 Cancri. This fascinating celestial body is believed to be composed largely of diamond. Yes, you heard it right. A planet made of diamonds? Just imagine the potential that lies within such a planet for future resource mining, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. We're still figuring out how to live on Mars. Who knew the universe was so luxurious? Feeling teary? Well, in space, tears don't fall. You see, in the absence of gravity, fluids behave rather peculiarly. They form floating blobs, clinging to whatever surface they can, including your own face. So, if you were to shed a tear in space, it wouldn't drop down your cheek. Instead, it would just stick to your eye, creating a watery bubble. It's just one of the unique challenges of living in space. Space, where crying takes on a whole new meaning. Ever wished for longer days? Try Venus, where a day lasts longer than a year. Venus dances to its own cosmic rhythm with a very slow rotation that takes 243 Earth days to complete just one rotation. That's a long wait for sunrise. Meanwhile, Venus orbits the Sun in just 225 Earth days. This just goes to show the incredible diversity of planetary systems out there in the cosmos. Next time you're feeling swamped, remember, it could be a Venusian day. Talk about a long work day. And for our #1 mind-blowing fact, we might not be alone in the universe. Imagine this, life on Mars. Not green-skinned aliens or little gray men, but microbial life. Scientists have discovered evidence of water on the red planet. Where there's water, there's potential for life, right? The Mars rovers, like the Perseverance and its predecessor Curiosity, are constantly probing the Martian surface, hunting for signs of past or present life. What if they find it? It would not only revolutionize our understanding of life's existence beyond Earth, but it could also pave the way for future space exploration and possibly even colonization. This discovery could help us understand how life began on Earth, and who knows, maybe it could help us figure out how to sustain life on Mars. In 60 years or so, you might be telling your grandkids about the good old days when Mars was just a red dot in the sky. So, are we ready to meet our Martian neighbors? And that's our countdown of mind-blowing space facts. We've journeyed through the silent expanses of space, learnt about the transformative power of space travel on our DNA, and marveled at the enduring footprints on the moon. We've also delved into the paradox of black holes, discovered a celestial water reservoir, and found out that we're all made of stardust. We've looked at the astronomical cost of a spacesuit, imagined a planet made of diamonds, and learned the peculiarities of crying in space. We've compared a day on Venus to an earthly year and speculated on the possibility of life on Mars. All these facts, as stunning as they are, only scratch the surface of what awaits us in the cosmos. They remind us of our place in the universe and hint at how much more there is to learn. The universe is a vast and mind-blowing place, and we're just beginning to uncover its secrets. So keep looking up. Who knows what we'll discover next?